Hello, Mary. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good. It is a nice day in the park.
Yes, the sun is shining and the children are happy.
Look, my son is riding his bicycle.
Oh, I see him. He rides very well.
Thank you. He learned last month.
That is great. My daughter is also riding her bike.
She looks very fast. Is she careful?
Yes, she is careful. She wears her helmet.
Good idea. My son also wears a helmet. Safety is important.
Yes, children must be safe when they ride.
Do they ride together sometimes?
Yes, they ride together after school. They laugh and play.
That is nice. Riding bicycles is healthy.
Yes, it is good exercise. They sleep well after playing.
I am happy to see them enjoy the park.
Me too. Let's sit and watch them.